Hi there, welcome to Georgetown Manor PA, a friendly community with move-in ready 2-bedroom apartments for rent in South Williamsport, PA. Today we'll be taking a tour of one of our favorite apartments located at 380 Girio Terrace. This unit is on the second floor and is 903 square feet total. Coming in through the front door, you have an entryway with a large coat closet. Then here you have the open living room space with sliding doors leading to the private patio. This patio has the best view of the community, overlooking both the cul-de-sac and adjacent grassy lawn area. Moving back inside, we'll move into the separate dining room area. And easy access to the Galley Kitchen here. Nice modern tile look vinyl flooring in here as well as a new stove. And this unit has a dishwasher as well. And here you have a food pantry for additional storage space. Next up, we'll check out the first bedroom. This room is about 120 square feet with a nice sized closet. There's also new carpeting throughout this apartment. Directly across from the first bedroom is the laundry room. The washer and dryer you see in this room are both included with the apartment and are serviced as needed by our on-site maintenance team. Moving on to the bathroom, this room has the nice vinyl flooring in here as well. It also has a full-size tub and shower, modern light fixture, and a new vanity and countertop. And here's a closer look at the mirrored medicine cabinet. As a bonus, you also get a great linen closet inside the bathroom as well. Next, we'll check out the main bedroom, which is about 180 square feet. This spacious room also has a roomy dual hanging walk-in closet. There's a great view of both the cul-de-sac and that grassy side yard I mentioned earlier, making this room very tucked away and quiet. As we head out of the apartment, I just want to show you a bit of the newly renovated foyer area that leads out to the front and back doors. The walls and ceilings have been freshly painted and the floors are all finished with a beautiful luxury vinyl plank. Thanks so much for stopping by for a virtual tour. If you'd like to join our community, please visit us at georgetownmanorpa.com or view the information in the description box below. Please hit the like button and subscribe to get notified when new tour videos are posted. If you want to tour more of our apartments, please check out the playlist on the bottom right. We hope you decide to make Georgetown Manor your home.